There is a gap between what we think and what we do. How many people watching this video want to do something big in their lives? Almost all of you. Suppose if you want to do something big in your life, doing something big means it is almost as good as impossible for your family as well as for your friends. They all think that you will not be able to do it, and your inner self also believe that it is almost next to impossible to achieve that big thing in life. So in such a way it becomes impossible. So now how to make that possible? To achieve that big goal of yours, you need to take big actions, and for you to take big actions you need more energy, you need one point of focus. How we can get that? Because our mind is working on thousands of things. One day we get excited, but next day all the excitement is over. So all of that is temporary. So the main question is, how can we sustain that? So in other words, today's video's topic is how to make the impossible possible, but without any side effects. Means due to any reason, if we are not been able to achieve so-called our big goal, even then we do not mind and move forward in life. Even then we remain as we were. Or just say that even then we are able to grow. Let me give you an example of Sandeep Maheshwari. There was a point of time in his life he took a very big decision of starting imagesbazaar.com in near 2005. So when he took such a decision, it was almost next to impossible. Now question stands, how to make that impossible possible? His goal right from the beginning was never the money. That was never giving him the kick. Kick was that he was creating something interesting, which has never been created before in this world. So this kind of a mindset is very amazing to have. If we don't create the right kind of a mindset and just start working on your goal, can you see the drawback? 99% of the people are working in such a way. They don't work on their mindset. They want to achieve a lot of things in their life and they just start working for it. One is goal and the other thing is action. This is the story of the entire world. But where is the mindset? First we create an unshakable mindset and then start taking actions. What needs to be done is your mind needs to get filled up with the information regarding your work. More the information you gain regarding your work, the more related thoughts of that will start coming to you. Now you can say that you are in a right kind of a zone. What really happens is that your mind is entirely filled up with the information. Can your mind think without any information? No, your mind can't. Whenever you see someone, you get a thought. For example, you see your mother, you get a thought. All of that is working on the information basis. If you don't know if that's your mother, then there will be no thoughts, no feelings, no emotions. There will be no motivation and no demotivation. And now, what kind of information is fed inside of you? All of that is related to your goal, or we can also say that what amount of information is related to your goal and what amount of information is not related to your goal. If you carefully observe that, then even more than 99% of the information is not related to your goal, or we can say waste. It is true or not? Suppose if 99% of the information filled inside your brain is related to your goal, then 99% of the thoughts will come related to what? Your goal, obviously. It is that simple. Whatever kind of information we have, the thoughts will come related to that. And now whatever thoughts you get, your mind will run towards that information only. Isn't this so? Where are the thoughts related to an unknown? Breakup happens with an unknown person or with a known person. Carefully understand this because I am talking about autopilot mode. One is that you are putting an effort towards achieving your goal, and the other one is that you are able to achieve your goal without putting a lot of efforts. I am talking about effortlessly. Like in China, in the Olympic Games, you will be able to see China in first, second, third, or even fourth rank at almost every game. Why? Why is it so? Because children starts to get trained for the Olympics when they are only 4, 5, 6 years old. So what really is happening? Children wants it or not, the information related to the sports have been feeded inside of their minds, and now they get thoughts regarding to that information only. More and more thoughts they will get regarding to the Olympics, they will attract more towards it. Slowly and slowly, all of their feelings and emotion will revolve around that only. Now we can say they are in a right zone, and now nothing else comes to their mind. That's why they are able to go such a big level. They have to leave the entire world behind and win the gold medal. Is that easy? This is almost next to impossible. How to make impossible possible, that's what we are talking about in this video. 99% of their mind is filled with the information regarding their game. After a point of time, they do not enjoy anything else. They know really well what they wanted. When they are playing, they can't think of anything else. Understood? This is the method of achieving the impossible. We all can deliberately create that mental state for ourselves.